Where are you gonna hang your hat? Hi, I'm Mary Pidlaski from RE/MAX Executives Realty, and welcome to this 1,175 square foot loft-style condo. This is gonna be the most unique property you are gonna see today. Come on inside. I wanna bring you home. Is sustainability important to you? The flooring is concrete with heating ducts going right through the hollow core, central bioswale in the courtyard, and recycled content exteriors. This could be your next home, rental property, Airbnb, art studio, and because it's mixed zoning, you can even set up your office from here. Let's not forget about this rooftop patio. Entertain friends, lounge with a book, and even grow your own vegetables. I can't wait to show you this property. Give me a call.